My dear students, good morning. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am your teacher, K.M. Zakaria Alum, Police Science School and College, Bogura. I am also fine. You know, you are absent from the class for about 4 months for coronavirus. So, you must have to try heart and soul for your better life at home. It is easy to say but difficult to do, as English is a hard or difficult subject. You have to try more and more to make the subject easy for you. Today I am going to take online English class on English second paper. The topic of grammar today is changing sentence. That means transformation of sentence. From grammar part, I will discuss and teach you about the topic. Please look at the board. Changing sentence means the transformation of sentence. That means to change the sentence without changing meaning. Here I am going to teach you on assertive to interrogative. Please look at the board and follow. Assertive to interrogative. Assertive sentence means simple, ordinary, declarative sentence where there is no symbol of interrogation, symbol of exclamation, etc. It is really simple, ordinary. Simple or ordinary, he is a lad, as there is no symbol of interrogation, so it is assertive. This sentence will be negative plus interrogative. That means negative interrogative is the method of making or changing interrogative sentence. He is a lad. He is not a lad. This is negative form. When you will be ready to make the sentence interrogative in transformation form, that means your answer will be negative interrogative. Not will be short. He is a lad. INT is the shorter form of interrogative. Isn't he a lad? Here not is shorter form in abstract comma T. Health is wealth. Make it interrogative. Isn't health wealth? He was not ill yesterday. Make it interrogative. As the sentence, the statement of the sentence number 3 was not, that means negative. Answer will be affirmative. Was he ill yesterday? Not will be out to make interrogative. That means you may remember, you must remember to make negative or affirmative. Your main idea is to change the sentence about the rules of changing that means assertive from interrogative. He was not ill yesterday. I have repeated this sentence again. This sentence is negative, so your answer will be affirmative. Was he ill yesterday? He had not. Is upset. The sun rises in the east. This is assertive. Here rises is the verb. As the subject, the sun is third person singular. So, S is used after verb. When the subject will be the third person, to make interrogative, doesn't will be used before subject, but S or yes will be out of the verb. The sun rises in the east. Doesn't the sun rise in the east? She got a prize. Here got is past. So, didn't is necessary to make interrogative, but verb will be present. Any verb will be present after did. She got a prize, make it interrogative. Didn't she get a prize? I shall go to school, interrogative. Shall plus not equal to shan't. This is the shorter form of shall plus not. Shan't I go to school? Shall I go to school? I shall go to school. It is assertive sentence, affirmative form. Shan't I go to school? He will go to Dhaka, interrogative. Will plus not equal to won't. That means shorter form of will not is won't. He will go to Dhaka. Will plus not equal to won't. Won't he go to Dhaka? You can do the work. Make it interrogative. Can't you do the work? We should obey the law. Make it interrogative. Shouldn't we obey the law? He has got a prize. This is assertive sentence and affirmative form. So, your answer will be negative interrogative. Hasn't he got a prize? So, the statement of sentence is affirmative. Number 1. Your answer will be negative interrogative. Now, I am going to another forms of rules about changing of sentence. Assertive, that means assertive sentence is of two kinds, such as affirmative and negative. Affirmative form of assertive will be interrogative. How can you do it? Everybody, everyone. Everybody, everyone. This is affirmative form of sentence. Everybody or everyone will be out by using who doesn't to make interrogative. When doesn't, you will use yes or yes will be out of the verbs. That means yes or yes will be out by using who doesn't. Please look at the board and follow. Everybody or everyone equal to who doesn't. everybody hates a liar, this is affirmative sentence or assertive sentence. Everybody hates a liar, make it interrogative. Who doesn't hate a liar? That means everybody will be out by using who doesn't when verb will be present. After doesn't, no, yes or yes will remain in the verb. Everybody likes flowers, make it interrogative. Who doesn't like flowers? I hope you have understood about the topic. Next, I am teaching you about assertive that of negative. That means negative form of assertive will be interrogative. Nobody, no one, none equal to who plus verb. Yes or yes will present after using who. Here you have to remember that not plus everybody equal to nobody, not plus anybody equal to nobody, not plus somebody equal to nobody, not plus everyone equal to no one, not plus someone equal to none or no one, not plus one, someone, everyone, all will be nobody, no one or none. This is the negative form. Please look at the board. Nobody tells a liar. Who tells a liar? When subject will be nobody, no one, none, doesn't will never be used to make interrogative sentence. Only who will be out, only who will be used to make interrogative. Nobody tells a liar. Who tells a liar? No one dislikes flowers, make it interrogative. Who dislikes flowers? None can do the work, make it interrogative. Who can do the work? Friends, look at the board. I am going to teach you in changing sentence. It is another form, that means exclamatory to assertive. How hot, both are the symbol of exclamatory sentence. At the time of making assertive, how or hot will be out by using very, very much, great, etc. How sweet the mango is. Here, this sentence is exclamatory. It will be assertive. A double ST is the shorter form of assertive. The mango is very sweet. It is assertive. What a nice bird it is, make it assertive. It is a very nice bird. If I were a rich man, here if is the word of conjunction, but here if is used to make exclamatory. If I were a rich man, if will be out by using I wish I were a rich man. Would that I could be a child again, make it assertive. Would that will be out by using I wish I could be a child again. This is assertive. Had I the wings of a bird, Here had is used to make exclamatory sentence, make it assertive. Had will be out by using I wish. I wish I had the wings of a bird. Were I a king, to express high ambition, where is used. Were I a king, make it assertive. I wish I were a king. These are the forms of exclamatory to assertive sentence. Now I am going to discuss about assertive to negative. Please look at the board and follow. Man is mortal. This is assertive sentence. Make it negative. You must remember that to make negative, every adjective will be antonym or opposite. Man is mortal. Make it negative. Man is not immortal. Water is liquid. Make it negative. Water is not solid or hard. He is attentive to his lessons. He is not inattentive to his lessons. He is very kind. Make it negative. He is not unkind. But very will be out by using at all. At all will be used at the end of the sentence. So he is not unkind at all. To make sentence negative from assertive, you must learn opposite words or antonyms. To make negative sentence, opposite words or antonyms are necessary, such as man is mortal, man is not immortal. That means mortal, immortal, liquid, solid, happy, unhappy, rich, poor. That means opposite words are necessary to make negative sentence. Dear students, I hope you have understood about the lesson through online class program. You must practice punctually and attentively to prepare well for this subject. Thank you very much.